Welcome to Community Drone, a new approach to automated mission planning for the shared use of drones. Drones perform important tasks in communities, including critical infrastructure assessment, environmental monitoring, and disaster response. However, these tasks are carried out independently without coordination. Community Drone will combine such multiple tasks to synergetic and therefore more efficient drone missions. Community Drone collects user requests and plans multitask missions through automated flight path planning and risk assessment. Specific requirements for drone technology, dynamic weather conditions, and the legal framework are considered. Making the use of drones more efficient and sustainable, Community Drone paves the way for a new era of a drone-sharing economy within digital communities in Europe. Our interdisciplinary and diverse team has an excellent background in science and research, drone technology, weather services, and business development. Community Drone is funded by the Austrian Aviation research program TAKEOFF.